Hi guys! Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use citrus hand sanitizer gel. Now, I just got back from grocery shopping and I went to Smart & Final, did a little shopping for my parents. I have a bunch of groceries in the car. I even got some paper towels. I haven't been able to find them in like a month, so I'm super excited about that. But I'm going to show you how I use a mask, gloves, and my sanitizing gel to stay clean and healthy when I go to the grocery store. First off, I've loaded all the groceries in the back and I'm going to take off my gloves. Now this is going to be kind of tricky because I'm holding the tripod or the handheld phone thing here, but I'm going to take off my favorite kind of nitrile gloves, bright pink, and discard them in my little waste bin. And then before I touch my steering wheel, I'm going to get my hand sanitizer and I'm going to rub about that much. I have small hands, so make sure you use as much as you need to cover your hands completely in between the fingers. And you can see that it dries pretty quickly within about 20 seconds. I really love this smell. It's, oh, we have like motorcycles going by. But it's kind of reminds me of lemon jello, this sanitizer gel. I really like it. So I will go ahead, sanitize my hands, and then, and only then, will I touch my steering wheel. So what I really love about this gel is I have included lactic acid and hemisqualane to help soften my skin. So I get really dry skin. I get itchies on my wrist right there, and I have contact dermatitis, super sensitive skin. You'll know if you follow me, I also have rosacea. So this is going to help soften my skin, and I actually use it in between the times that I wash my hands, because using a detergent in soap is necessary and it's good, but it's also very drying. And in one of my more recent blog articles, I discussed how dermatologists actually recommend in between hand washings that you can use a hand sanitizer if your skin is getting very dry. So that is something that really caught my interest and really helped me in this time where I'm getting super dry, cracked skin on my hands and really all over my body. Because I'm showering twice a day, and I have, after I go running and in the evening, and I'm washing my hands dozens of times a day. I do a lot of cooking. Before I start cooking, I wash my hands. And then in between times that I would wash my hands, which would be, say, I don't know, 5-7 times over the course of an hour in the kitchen doing food prep, I will use hand sanitizer. Now, I will not use it if my hands are greasy or visibly dirty. Then I would actually need to wash. But the CDC does recommend using hand sanitizer if your hands are not greasy or dirty. And I really love the smell. It gives me kind of like a sweet dessert type of maybe lemon pie smell, or a grapefruit cocktail. I really love gin and grapefruit juice together. So anyways, and now you know how to use citrus hand sanitizing gel. If you want more information, I'll post a link to the website at organicradiantskincare.com. As always, please share this with a friend who it would help. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.